Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some chocolate Rolo cookies. Let's begin. So to start the recipe you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer but feel free to use whatever you've got. You'll want to place in your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. So once you've got your butter and sugars in your bowl, you'll then want to mix it on a medium to high speed until it's come together and is well combined. Once the ingredients are fully combined, you can then add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble the mix. So once your eggs have been fully incorporated, you can then stop the mixer and scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So next you'll want to add in the dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps like the cocoa powder. And then mix them in on a low to medium speed just until the dough is formed, being careful not to over mix. So next you'll want to add in your Rolos and your chocolate chips. I recommend using mini Rolos as they work really well with this recipe. And then give your bowl another scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may have been worked at the bowl. You can then start to scoop up your dough and put it onto your baking tray. I'm using 2 scoops of cookie dough per cookie, but feel free to alter this, but you will also need to alter the baking time if you do this. I will leave everything you need to know on a blog post. I will leave a link to that in the description down below. And don't forget to check out all the other episodes of this year's Bakemas and the previous years while you're at it. So here are what the cookies look like once they are straight out of the oven. You'll want to apply your toppings right now as it melts in and it just looks better than adding them later on. So I added some more mini rollers and some milk chocolate chips on top, but feel free to alter and change it to how you want it to be. Allow the cookies to cool for around 10 to 15 minutes on the baking tray, and then you can transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and click the notification bell so you'll get a notification whenever I upload, as I'm uploading frequently during the month of December on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday. I'll see you on Friday with another upload. So don't forget to check out my social medias and my blog. I will leave everything you need in the description down below, and until Friday, bye guys.